Howdy folks, Jason here representing Vickar Community Chevrolet, and today we have this vintage 1992 Pontiac Firebird Formula with W68 package. I'm gonna do a little walk around on it. Under the hood, this Firebird is hiding a massive 5-liter V8 engine which pushes 170 horsepower at 4,000 RPM. Goes from 0 to 100 in 8.9 seconds. The best thing about this one is it has 4-speed automatic transmission. At the back here you have your body colored rear spoiler. You have your classic rectangular tail lamps. Down below you have your MagnaFlow dual exhaust system. At the side you have your bronze finish aluminum wheels with your premium touring 15-inch performance tires on them. Inside this Firebird you have your power windows, power locks, you have your power side mirrors, you get your cruise control. I love the way the headlights pop out when you turn them on, and you have your big center console here. You get cloth upholstery seats, 6-way manual adjustment for the driver's side. You have your premium sound system with air conditioning and rear defogger and trunk release right around here. This Firebird delivers ample trunk room. It also has your privacy cover so that nobody can peek in your trunk. Not only that, you have your first aid compartment right around here. Hey, once again, my name is Jason. If you want to touch, feel, honk, or drive this 92 Firebird, give me a call at 204-661-8391, or you can visit me at 964 Regent Avenue West, Vickar Community Chevrolet, where customers send their friends.